السابقون الأولون من المهاجرين والأنصار والذين اتبعوهم بإحسان.
Affair, my brothers and sisters, of the one who is lackadaisical in his speech, no concern, it destroys him. That the one who speaks concerning the deen with jahl, his speech destroys him. How many evil statements have destroyed families and communities? How many evil statements have caused splitting and enmity? How many families have been ruined? Spouses and children, siblings, because of words. How many friends parted ways because of an evil statement? How many times has one's emotion and anger led to a physical confrontation and then possibly killing, and it happens? People are killed because of words. All of this because of kalam, evil speech. Wallahi, my brothers and sisters, it's a dangerous affair. Nas'alullah as-salamah wal-afiyah. We have to withhold and refrain and control our tongues.